So today we're going to be doing a little tribute to Remembrance Day. So I'm just going to quickly do 2 coats of white gel polish on 4 nail tips. Okay, so that's them done. So now I'm going in with some Dazzle Pixels. These are new on Nail Sugar's website. They are absolutely stunning. I just get my glitter brush, dab it in, dab it on, and then just brush over. This is onto the tacky layer of the gel polish. If you want more of a tacky layer, just use some base coat. So that's them 4 done. I'm going over with base coat. I like to go over with base coat because it fills in all the little bobbly bits, as I call them. Okay, so now I'm going to go over with some matte top coat. Just let you watch this little bit. Okay, so now I'm just going in, getting some red gel paint from Nirvana Nail Supplies with a dotting tool. This is my first ever try at doing poppies, or basically anything on this set, to be honest. It's all new to me. So yeah, I'm just doing 4 little dots, and then I kind of joined them together. Don't know what I was doing, to be honest. I was just playing. So, how did you all spend bonfire night? I stayed in. I'm not a big fan of them, to be honest. Too loud. Feel for all the pets, and especially the people as well with PTSD. So I was thinking of you all. Okay, so I've popped that in for a cure. And now I'm going on to the next nail with black gel paint. I went out of shot. Excuse me. So now I'm just doing like a little hill at the bottom. Just just fill that in. And then pop it in for a cure. Okay, so now I'm doing another poppy on this one. I've done this one a little bit different. It's a good thing about practicing. You find your own way of doing things. And pop that in for a cure. So back onto this nail, doing a little cross for where the gravestone is. Okay, when you're happy with that, pop it in for a cure. Okay, so now I'm just doing some little black in between. The brush I'm using is Lisa Graves. You'll find her on Etsy or on Facebook. She'll have links there for you. And I'll put it in the description box below as well. I actually forgot to press record when I was doing the man. He was quite hard, to be honest. But I don't think I've done too bad for my first try. This is supposed to be his gun on the back of his back. On his back. I wiped it off, wasn't too happy with it. That's a good thing about curing in between. If you go wrong, then you can also always wipe it off. Okay, so that's that one. Those two done. There we go. I was gonna put Lest We Forget on this one, but I then decided not to. So I've done it on the next nail. Letters are so hard, but practice makes perfect. So once you're happy with what you've done, just pop it in for a cure. Okay, so I've done some more poppies on the other nail, off camera. So now I'm just going in with some top coat. So look at that sparkle come to life. Oh my god, they are absolutely gorgeous. You need these in your kit. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, I'm pretty happy with this set, considering it's my first ever try it, doing men and poppies, and yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you all soon.